Good morning, guys. My name is the Old Mechanic. Welcome back in my shed. And I'm still busy on the BMW R1200GS. And guys, I discovered that the tires are terrible. So I contacted my friend and he said, Old Mechanic, if you think the tires are not good, replace them with new ones. So today we're gonna take the wheels out and mount new tires. Now let's start. First thing I'm gonna do is strap it on my winch, because in a moment we have to lift the front wheel also. And I want the bike secured. Something like this. It's just a lot of noise. Make some noise. Still having a cold, guys, so sniffing away. Here. Now, first we're gonna put the bike in gear and then get the wheel off. One, up, and the, and the. Then we quickly take the machine. This tight, loose. Okay. One. Okay. Carefully take the wheel out. Then let's see if we gonna winch it up. Now something like this. Yes. And the wheel out. Yes. It has a huge flat spot and it has cupping. This is much lower than this height. Let's see. Yeah, it also has some cracks. I love my VEVOR jack. It's a great tool. Look in the description, you can find it. Yep, the calipers are 45. Let's see, guys. Up. Up. Okay, then we need, let's see, yes, and that's 25, torques 25. Oh. It's a tiny bolt and a beautiful. Okay, then it's hooked over here. Here, and then you have to wiggle the caliper a bit. Yes, there it goes. Up. This one, and then okay, carefully get that one out. It was a long time. So then there is another clip. Yes. Then take it out. Now, then we go to the other side. Do the same. Hop. Up. 2. And then sure that your torques goes all the way in. Okay. Oh, hear me sniffing. Yes, that's better. Oh. Just loosen it. Sometimes I like to take it out, so I can't forget to fasten it again. This one, then let's see if we can use my ratchet. Yes. Okay. Now, we're gonna lift the front wheel off the ground. There it goes. Up, up, up. Yes. Lift it a bit. Get your no, still not out. Let's feel. Yes, there he goes. It's almost there. Hop. Take the axle out And guys, oh, this one out of the way too. Up. Okay, roll it out. And over on this side, you have this bushing. Hop. Feel with your fingers if the bearing are rotating smooth, which on this side they do, and this side also. Okay, great. Yes, then. Axle a bit. This one. In the meantime, push it too. Okay. Now guys, I showed you, but now I can show it better. This has a ridge. So I always like to do, here I got a really brand new tire, Michelin, and it's the Road 6 110/80, and it's 19-inch. Then maybe nope. This is quick, clean. Okay, then use ball bearing grease. Up. And then over here also up. See, that's great. And on the other side, we're gonna do the same. Sorry guys for my sniffing, but I got a cold. First we clean this one. Okay, then take a dab. Yes. Perfect. Now then, up. On this side is the ABS sensor, so the wheel needs to go in like this. Okay, now guys, we have the axle, and I like to give it a smear of grease so it doesn't start rusting, which it actually didn't. also where that oil seal, what is it? Right, it's over there. Okay, now it's very simple. Very simple. Slaat de axle in, lift your front wheel a bit up. Give it a bit of, then yes, there he goes. Okay, then take this one. So yes, there he goes. Yep, goes in. Okay. Perfect. Nicely in. Then we're gonna give this a clean too. Okay. And this one also with some. Then, guys, I'm gonna put a bit of grease onto there so it doesn't corrode as it's aluminium. And then this one in. Okay, now let's see. Then over here is a clip and it needs to be, yes. Then the caliper back in this place. Up, 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 up. Something like this. Perfect. And then okay, this one is a brother. One small bolt. Okay, this one we already gonna tighten. Then we're gonna do the caliper on this side. Come on over. Let's see. Push it a bit out. Oh. Sure. Yes, something like this. Yes. Ah, here are my bolts. Oh. Okay, this one. Yes. Okay, now we're gonna lower the front. Is that easy? That's very easy. Hoppa, there he is. Okay, then the first thing we're gonna do is torque the axle. And that the axle need to be torqued with 50 Newton meters. Let's see, 50. That's over here. Okay. Okay. Torqued. Then the clamp bolt, the pinch bolt. This one needs to be torqued with 19. Okay, then we're gonna set it to 19 over here. Okay, 19. Yes, torqued. Then we go to the calipers. 30 Newton meters. Set it. Oh, oops, that's too far. Wait a minute. That's over here. There. 30. Yes. 1. Yep. Okay. Torqued. Torqued. Then we go over here. One. Okay. Yes. Torqued. Then screw it all the way back. Free play. Bit in. Hop. And out. Then guys, this is very important because we got the calipers off and push back the pads. You have to squeeze your handle to make sure that your pads are again pinching at the discs. So, then pop. Yes. Yep. Even kijken hè. This one. That one. And the calipers all checked. Okay. Let's see here, have a look. It's a really nice tire, guys. Watch. This is much better. That's what it was, huh? Perfect. So, then guys, because I have a winch, I don't need, wait a minute, it's, hey, I thought I needed to get it up. What? Can go. Easy. Then. Have a look. It's over there. Let's have a look inside. Oh, it's too far. This is it. Hop. Okay, up. Then one. So, now guys, what I always like to do is torque them. You have to cross them, okay? I like to start with 30 Newton meters, about something like here, and then give them the first okay, and now we go to 60. So now the wheel is set perfect. This is 60, and now hopefully I can do it. D. 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 Then that one. Okay, and this one. Okay, let's go. This one, this one, this one, this one, and that one. I don't have to mark them as my crayon was still onto it, but you're the witness that I torqued them all. So that back, this one, this one. Okay, gonna hang my tools back. Is that easy? Oh. This one goes over there. This one goes over there. This one there. Good. Okay, this one. Oops. This one. Up. So guys, there was a quick video, I think quick, about renewing the tires. Get the wheels out, get the wheels in. It's with a BMW and R1200GS, it's so fucking easy. Oh, few tools, my video, well, you know it. I hope you enjoyed it. And you learned a few things. That's also nice. I would say subscribe to my channel, really important. And guys, share my channel with all your friends on your social medias, like WhatsApp and the Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, these days called X. So they can benefit from my videos too. It's a win-win situation, I think. Hope to see you the next time. And for now, Old Mechanic out.